Welcome! In front of me I have MIBRO Watch Lite 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. So first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Then press it again to open the menu. Now scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called preference and then tap on it. And here at the bottom you will see the power saving. Tap on it. And now if you want to enable the power saving mode, you can tap on the switch right here. As you can see, after the mode is enabled, only the clock and the step count will be available. Rest of the features will be disabled to save the power on your watch. So let's enable it. Tap on the check mark to confirm. And now the power saving is enabled, and that's how it looks like. Basically, you have you have access to clock, date, power, the battery level rather, and the step counter. And to disable the mode, you press and hold the home button and keep pressing it, or please keep holding it until you see the normal watch face. Like this. Okay, and basically that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.